Have you ever thought of investing? If so, it is important to know the what, where, who, why, and the how, amongst other legal aspects of investing. But before anything else, let's define what an investment is. Investment is the placement of money or capital in order to gain profitable returns as interest, income, or appreciation in value. When investing, the first thing to know is to understand what you're investing in. Is it equity, shares, or ownership in a business? Are you financing a purchase or doing project financing? Know what you're getting in return for your money. Next is you should know where your money is going and what it is used for. If it's structured for a loan, you should know what is financing. Learn also how you can improve your chances at recovery if anything bad happens, such as retaining title clauses. And if your money buys equity, know what your shareholdings are, dividend payouts, etc. Equally important is to know who is involved, the people you are having legal relations with, the people paying you or taking your money. Besides all these, it is important to know why the investment exists in the first place, or at least know why you're being approached if it was offered to you. Know too if the returns will potentially outweigh the investment. And lastly, know how you're getting your money back. In summary, before investing, never part with cash before knowing your legal rights. Legal advice may never be too expensive, especially when you are parting with a substantial amount of cash. Know what you're paying for and know how you're getting it back before it's too late. To know more about the legal aspects of investing, or should you need legal advice, visit us at arlc.com.sg.